Hey travelers, spring break is here, and if you're flying with kids, airport security can feel like a mission. But don't worry, I've got some tips to make it smooth sailing. First up, prepping before you even leave home. Pack smart. Liquids and snacks go in easy-to-reach places, and remember, anything over 3.4 ounces has to go in your checked bag. Pro tip, have a dedicated travel bag for the kids with all their essentials. It'll save you from digging through your own stuff. Now let's talk about getting to the airport. Arrive early. No, really, give yourself at least 2 hours before boarding. It's better to have extra time than to be stressed out. Once you're at security, keep your cool. TSA pre-check is a lifesaver. If you don't have it, now might be a good time to consider it. Kids under 12 can go through with you, making the process quicker. Alright, let's get those kids through the checkpoint. Shoes off, jackets off, and everything out of their pockets. Turn it into a game to keep them entertained. And don't forget, strollers need to be folded and put through the X-ray machine. Finally, you've made it through. Take a moment to regroup. Make sure everyone's got their stuff and reward the kids with a little snack or game. You did it. Traveling with kids can be challenging, but with a little prep and a lot of patience, you'll master airport security like a pro. Safe travels and happy spring break. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more travel tips. Bye.